Looking for a sporty lightweight scooter to get you where you want to go in comfort and style? Look no further than the Buzz Around Carry-On scooter from Golden. This super portable scooter is small in stature and big on fun. The Carry-On scooter offers long-range coverage of up to 18 miles with an easy-access 15 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack that comes standard. An optional 6.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack can be removed and taken as a carry-on item while traveling by air, sea, or train, and comes with its own stylish travel case for safekeeping. The optional battery also features a built-in USB port so you can charge your phone or operate other devices right from the battery. The Buzz Around features a convenient USB port and water bottle holder right on the tiller, comfortable flip-up armrests to make getting on and off the scooter easy, and a full front and rear lighting package for added safety. The Buzz Around's 300-pound weight capacity and 4-inch ground clearance make for a smooth ride on whatever path you choose. You can add to your personal style with a choice of red or blue color shrouds. An optional hard-shell travel case provides roomy storage and an attractive way to keep small items or a sweater for chilly weather within easy reach. The infinitely adjustable tiller lets you set the handlebars exactly where you want them for maximum comfort, and a self-locking seat frame fold for a compact profile. Designed to take up minimal space, the Buzz Around disassembles easily into 2 pieces to store in the smallest compartments, only 12 inches high when folded without the seat. Perfect for underbed storage at home or on the go. 4 different carry handle locations provide options for comfortable, easy transport. And the suitcase-style handles on the sides make it easy to grab and go. The luggage tow handle at the front makes the carry-on a breeze to pull along. And no heavy lifting is needed to load this scooter. Imagine not having to strain your back as the carry-on glides smoothly into the trunk of your car. Pack your dreams and go anywhere with the Buzz Around Carry-On scooter by Golden.